for today, we will have our auction day. So you're going to use your dollars. Okay, so everybody, grade 6, welcome to our auction house. So ano po yung mga dapat gawin dito? Bidding. Ibig sabihin, pataasan kayo. Like for example, item number 1, 5 assorted candies. Okay, sino yung ready mag-bid ng $100? Taas ang kamay nun. And then, halimbawa, yung isa, sabi niya kaya niyang bilhin ng $200. Kung sino yung pinakamataas sa kanya ko, ibibigay. Naintindihan? Okay, are you ready? $100? Sino? 100 yan na, hindi yan $1 lang. $100 yan. Sino pa ang ano sa kanya, magbibid? Going once? Going twice? Only $100? You are the winner. Come here. Okay, congratulations. Oh, another. For ayoko ng maingay. Okay, another. $100 again. You want? $100. Oh, sino pang magbibid? Only John Lloyd? Okay, congratulations. Next po. Ay, John Lloyd sa'yo. Okay. O sige, another pa. $100. You want ninyo? Oh, come here. Ay, wait lang. Sino yung magtataas? Meron? Wala. Oh, come here ninyo. Congratulations. Sa'yo yan? Okay. Congratulations. Ba't parang ang konti naman na nakukuha kong pera dito? Wala man lang nagbibid sa inyo. Next. Ballpen with 1 candy. $200. Charles? Oh, sino pa ang tatalo kay Charles? Ha? $300? Sino pa? Okay, another. He is the winner. Congratulations. There's some more. Don't worry. For $200. Sino ano pa kay Charles? $200? Okay, congratulations. Oh, tama yan. Very good, nagpapasalamat. For our last, $200. Sino pa? Come here. Wala kang ballpen din? Sakto. Congratulations. Okay, for our last, for $500. How much? Wait po. Okay, sino ang tatalo sa kanya? Sino po sa inyo? Sino pang magtataas dyan? 500. Dapat tataasan pa. $600. Sino pa? Winner. Congratulations. Okay, for our last item. Okay, for last item. $600.